guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create a playlist on Spotify. So you can create a playlist by pressing this create playlist button. Then you can search for songs you want to add to your playlist, or you can go to like your liked songs or like other playlists and add in songs from that there. So here I want to add this song, so I'm just going to select these three dots and add to playlist, and I'm going to select the playlist that I've just created. Select the playlist, and if you want to change the name, right click, rename, and select my playlist. You can like rename it anything you want, of course. You can search here too, so like Bon Iver, and then press add to the like playlist by pressing this add button to add songs. And then you can also create a playlist from your liked songs to, or like your top songs, but it already has a playlist. But if you do want to, just press Control A, right click, and then add a playlist and create playlist to create a new playlist. And that is basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!